Today, I'm calling out the biggest mistakes small YouTuber makes, and I'm fixing them live in this video. So if your channel isn't growing the way you want, you are probably making at least one of these errors. But don't worry, I got the fix. So let's dive in and let me know in the comment section if you are making one of these mistakes. Right? So number one mistake you are doing is poor branding. This is a silent killer if you don't know. So your brand is your first impression. But small YouTubers treat it like afterthought. So a mismatched profile pics or a cluttered banners and or a thumbnail. Oh, that looks like they are from 5 different channels and it confuses viewers. So what you need to fix, what you need to know to fix this is that you pick 1 or 2 colors and a clear front using Canva templates. Okay, or you go to Pixel app and create one. So I have videos on how to create eye-catchy thumbnail which you can watch. So keep thumbnail consistent with the same style, text placement, and your logo should be recognized even kind of just test it. Okay, so the logo should be recognized, just test it. So number 2 mistake you guys are doing is inconsistent upload. So posting weekly then vanish for months. YouTube algorithm hits that, so your subscriber forget you and your momentum dies. So how can you fix this? What you need to do is to start with 1 video per week or bi-weekly if needed. So batch recording contents to stay ahead. Use a content calendar. I use Notion link. And the number 3 mistake you guys are doing is ignore your audience. I know a lot of people do this, like posting and ghosting. So if that's the biggest mistake, your viewers want a connections, not a one-way broadcast. All right. So how can you do this? Is that you reply to every comment, even just a thanks, just reply to it, then ask questions in your video. So what should I make next? Like ask your viewers, ask your audience, what should you make next? Like do a post in community tabs, even with 100 subs, you can do this. There is a chance for you to do a community tabs with 100 subscribers right now. So the number 4 mistake you guys should doing is skipping SEO. So that is the search disaster if you don't know. So your video could be private, but if no one can find it, come on, RIP good. That's it. So you can use TubeBuddy, use vidIQ for keyword research. Then put your main keyword in the first 3 words of your title. Write a detailed descriptions, 100+ words with keywords. Then number 5 mistakes you guys are doing is chasing perfection. Like waiting for the perfect video. You will never upload. Small YouTuber goes by improving over time. So not being flawless. What you need to do is to set a time limit for editing, like 2 hours max. Focus on progress, no perfection. So your first video will cringe if you don't know. So embrace it. Which mistake are you guilty of? So let me know in the comment sections. I will reply if you want step-by-step help. So check out my free YouTube starter kit link below. So smash the like button if this helps. So it tells YouTube to recommend these videos to more creators. See you in the next one.